1414. Then we have application number E0115, also from Kerugoya. That is application before this court. And then we give direction on those applications. And then E565. Those are the three matters which are before this court and in which the Honorable the Chief Justice has constituted this bench for hearing and determination. There are articles of constitution of this bench in the court. So the three matters before the court are E565, E015, E0113, and E014. Those are the files and petitions, applications before this court. And those are the applications on which this bench has given direction pursuant to this bench being duly constituted. So any other applications which we are talking about, we have not cited them. Maybe they are yet to reach us, but for the purposes of today's hearing, we have these three petitions or applications.
Your Lordship, we welcome it. And perhaps also state for record that we also appear in E015 in protest. But for that, Your Lordship, kindly confirm that the number that is now registered in the matter that came from Kerugoya is E015. And that is important, Your Lordship, because of the purposes of administrative transfers of files. Because what was at Kerugoya, Your Lordship, was E015. Does it therefore mean that that file has not yet been integrated into the Nairobi files? And if so, then how do we appear to proceed before you, and how was the matter that we shall raise other issues? Just confirm on the question of the integration of that file in the Nairobi files, because the last file that we have should be 565 as at Friday. Are we dealing with the matter in Kerugoya or in Nairobi?
Let me deal with that. Lord, for the purpose of A572 of 2024.
That file is not before us.
That's all I'm only saying. I have had the directions of the bench. The file is not before you. But I have instructions for the purpose of the one to take that petition was filed on 18th of October. The same day the Kerugoya file were filed. All the directions in all these files that have been taken to a graveyard is that none of these files of ours are borders. The reason as to why Kerugoya files before the learned judges is purely because they have orders to stop the swearing in of the DP President-elect. The CJ could not have selectively decided to have only one file before you, my Lord. This is a trial of the judiciary. It is a trial that goes to the root cause of whether there is impartiality.
Mr.
Yes, my Lord.
Mr. Omari.
Yes, my Lord.
The file you are addressing us, we have said, is not before us. And the files which are before this court are the files in which this specific bench has been empaneled.
Thank you, my Lord. Allow me to mourn. Because the questions I'm raising are very pertinent, that there are files selectively brought before you, but there are others.
Mr. Omari, we wouldn't know that because, as you understand, we only deal with matters in which we have been empaneled.